Hey, this is Sandy. This is going to be a YouTube short, so it won't be that long. I had some extra little Cuties mandarin oranges, the seedless mandarin oranges, and we had a lot of fruit in the house, and I didn't want them to go bad, so I decided I was going to peel them and can them. So I would normally have used some half-pint jars, but I really didn't have any extra that I wanted to use for this, so I used pints. I made a light syrup with stevia and water, and water bath canned them. Because of our altitude, I did 20 minutes in the water bath canner at a rolling boil versus the 10 that you would normally do, because I adjusted for altitude. I forgot to wash the oranges before I peeled them, so I can't use them to dry them for tea or anything, but I'm drying the peels for potpourri. And what I went ahead and did is I scraped off the pith on the inside, so it brought it down to just the peel. I've got those in the dehydrator. Meow Meow is guarding them, primarily because it's a warm place. But anyway, so yeah, if you have any extra fruit, you don't want it to go bad, there's different ways you can take care of it. Hope you enjoyed. Please hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching our Wee Tennessee Homestead.